10 period dramas to watch while you wait for Downton Abbey, the grand finale. Downton Abbey opens with the Crawley family reeling from tragedy after the heir dies on the Titanic. That shocking moment sets the stage for years of love, loss, and power struggles that define this modern classic. Outrageous puts the infamous Mitford sisters in the spotlight in a scandalous tale of ambition and rebellion. Expect drama, wit, and a sisterly dynamic every bit as fiery as anything at Downton. The Gilded Age follows Julian Fellowes as he turns his focus to 1880s New York, where old money clashes with rising new fortunes. Class clashes, racial tensions, and lavish spectacle make this a perfect companion to Downton. Finally, Dawn tells the story of Mimosa, a young Italian woman who is swept into the dazzling world of 1950s Hollywood after being chosen by actress Josephine Esperanto. Fame, romance, and temptation unfold in this Lily James-led drama. House of Guinness explores the family empire's turmoil following the death of its patriarch. Brewing wealth, legacy battles, and family intrigue create a drama as rich as the stout itself. Belgravia, another creation by Julian Fellowes, delves into the secrets and romances of the wealthy Trenchard family in 19th century London. High society rules, but passion always threatens to break through. In the Hallmark miniseries Providence Falls, Liam must help guide Cora toward her true soulmate. The twist? They were lovers in a past life, and he's the only one who remembers. Romance meets mystery in equal measure. Bridgerton showcases Regency high society, glittering with scandals, gossip, and forbidden romance. Bridgerton has become the reigning period drama of the 2020s, dripping with decadence and drama. The Buccaneers follow spirited young American women as they storm English society, rewriting the rules of love and power. Dangerous entanglements and bold defiance keep this glittering series unpredictable. My Lady Jane offers a fantastical reimagining of Lady Jane Grey's fate, where execution is avoided and shapeshifters roam the royal court. History takes a bold and witty twist in this inventive retelling.